Are you ready?
You ready?
Are you coming?
You coming?
See you later.
See ya.
See ya. I gotcha.
What you doing?
I like him.
I like him.
Call him.
It's her dog.
I like her.
Call her.
Do you like it?
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Do you understand? Do you understand?
Gotcha. Okay. Gotcha.
I gotcha. I gotcha.
What you doing? What you doing?
What you working on? What you working on?
Would you like to hear some music? Would you like to hear some music?
We need to talk. We need to talk.
Want to go out tonight?
Wanna go? Wanna go? I wanna sleep. I wanna sleep.
I am going to buy a new car.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna call her.
I have to go.
We have to try. We have to try.
Anders? Congrats, Anders. Oh, congrats. Oh, congrats.
Brother,
Hey, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
I work in a bookstore.
Take it easy.
linking and connecting the end sound of one word with the beginning sound of the next word helps to create smoother speech and to sound more natural. So let's try one together. I work in a bookstore.
I work in a bookstore.
Here we will link the words work in a, work in a, work in a. I work in a bookstore.
I work in a bookstore. I work in a bookstore.
Another example is take it easy.
Take it easy. Take it easy.